In this video, we're going to cover how to get started with easy email attachments for Service Desk, allowing you to replace portal links in notification emails with real email attachments. Once you have installed the app from the Atlassian Marketplace, you must configure and enable it for those Service Desk projects where you want to use it. Logged in as an admin user, go to the project settings page for each of the projects that you want to enable. Scroll to the bottom of the project settings page and click on Easy Email Attachments for Service Desk. The current settings for this project are displayed read-only. To edit the settings, press the Edit button at the top of the screen. The edit form is then displayed. The project settings control the overall behavior of the app for this project. The first step is to enable the app for the project by selecting the Enabled for Project option. Maximum attachment size prevents overly large emails from being sent out to customers accidentally. The current value is a good default. In order for the notification emails sent by the app to be consistent with those sent by Jira Service Desk itself, it is necessary to copy over some configuration. To make this easy, there is a link which opens the Atlassian settings page in a new tab or window. Copy over the subject, HTML, CSS, and plain text. Next, we have the notification rules, which control who the notification emails are sent to and the content that gets inserted into the email templates defined earlier. The app replaces the notifications sent for the default rules, public comment added and public comment edited. Like the earlier template settings, there is a link which opens the Atlassian settings in another tab or window. Scroll down until you reach the default rules section. As mentioned, the two default rules that the app replaces are public comment added and public comment edited. Let's start with the added rule by pressing the edit button. Set the recipient's checkboxes in the app based on the to and exclude person who calls the action settings in the Jira Service Desk rule. Then copy the text of the content setting to the app settings form. Next, remember to turn off the enable option for the built-in rule and save it. If you skip this, your customers will get 2 notifications. Double check that the built-in rule is now shown as disabled. Now to handle the rule, which fires when a public comment is edited. Again, set the app recipient based on the options selected in Jira Service Desk. Copy the content setting. And remember to turn off the enable option to prevent duplicate notifications. Finally, double check that the built-in rule is disabled. The final step is to save the settings for this project, and the next time a public comment is added or edited, the app will now send the email, and if that comment includes an attachment, that file will be sent as a real email attachment.